like the way you, I like the way you dance for me.
Hello loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Toya. I hope you guys are doing well. So by the title of this video, you guys already know this is gonna be the 10-minute makeup challenge. I won't let you guys know if I did complete it or not. I'll let you stay until the end for you to see. So if y'all want to see how I created this look, and if y'all want to see if I did beat the clock or if I failed, please go ahead and stay tuned. But anyway, I'm gonna start. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do my makeup. I'm gonna probably do a voiceover because this is gonna be quite hard for me to talk through and get my makeup done in 10 minutes. So let's start the clock. Okay. You want to do? Come on. Go in the bathroom. I'm gonna pause it. I'm gonna pause it. I have to pause it. Mommy duty calls. So let's take a break. All right, so now I'm back. Resume. All right. Oh, come on. Why am I even wasting time doing all of this? Ask me, I don't know. Whatever. All right. My brows look jacked up, but whatever. So I'm just gonna use my primer. So instead of using concealer today, I'm gonna be using two foundations. And I'm gonna use the lighter one underneath my eyebrow, underneath my lids, wherever I normally highlight. And then I'm gonna use the darker foundation around the rest of my face. So that will be my highlight for today. Oh boy, this is getting messy real quick. Let's go ahead, blend that out. Yeah, whatever. So blend it out with a blending sponge. This is my Real Techniques blending sponge. Use the flat end that is wider. If you see me looking down, it's because I have my mirror down here and I really don't want to have both my hands tied up. So I just want to have one hand free. That will help me to get my makeup done faster. I thought I wasn't going to do a talk through, but anyway, it's not really that time consuming. So just to make sure I have everything done, let me just go ahead and put my lashes on. Oh, sorry, my mascara. Poke myself in the eye. Alright, so now for powder, I'm gonna use this for my all over face powder, and this is the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder in the shade 40. I'm just gonna put that all over my face. Whew, time is going, it's so hot under these lights, y'all. I did my no mirror makeup challenge, so it's quite easy for me to get my makeup done without a mirror. I'm just gonna go ahead and blend everything in after when I'm done anyway, so that's fine. Bless you. Alright, so now for my under eye setting powder, I'm just gonna go in with my pressed powder from Maybelline in the shade 330, just to kind of highlight underneath there. Bring a little bit of color back into my face, a little bit of dimension. Come on, Toya, you can do this. You can do this. This was exactly what I did. Only that I wasn't this rushing. I never knew 10 minutes could go by so fast. Anyway, let me not even check the time. Oh. So I'd probably do this makeup like, let's say my husband is saying, babe, let's go to the store. And you know, I don't want to go looking all raggedy and stuff. This is probably what I would do. No, not probably, this is what I do. All right, so let's just brush everything back in together. Let's see what time it is. Okay, I got 3 minutes left. I guess you could say 3 minutes. So I'm gonna line my waterline. Add my little fake mole. Well, it's not fake, I'm just putting back what I covered up with blending brush. So I'm gonna take this color right here. I'm gonna hurry put that on my lids just to add a little bit of color. Wow, time really does fly fast. Whew. Go girl, go girl, go girl. Sorry, y'all probably wasn't seeing that just now, but anyway, didn't miss nothing much. Let me add back some more mascara. It's so hot under these lights, you guys. Ooh. Alright, so for the lips, let's see what lipstick I have here, or lip gloss. Oh, red, purple, pink. Alright, I guess I'll just add these two. Time is almost up, boy, Toya. And that's it. Nothing else. Set this makeup with some spray. Try and let that dry. Let's see how much time we have left. I think I have time left. Ooh, wow. I have 2 minutes and 6 seconds left. Damn, that really was quick. Anyway, since I have more time, let me try to perfect something on my face because I know I'm hot mess. 1 minute and 40 seconds. I'm waiting for this to dry so I can try to go back in. I see my eyebrows aren't even, so oh gosh, kind of messed that up. But you know, when you're hurrying, your brows definitely aren't gonna look perfect, so that's understandable. I have 1 minute left. 1 minute, you guys. And so of course this video is gonna be maybe like a minute longer than 10 minutes because I have to do my intro and outro, like, you know, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And 55 seconds left. I really thought I wasn't gonna complete it, but you know, that trick with the lighter foundation in the center and then the darker foundation on the outer corner, that really does help it. So my powder brush, I'm just gonna go ahead, brush everything together because this setting spray is taking so long to set. Ooh, since I have a little bit more time, let's add some highlight. I have 20 seconds left. Ooh, that's too much. Ooh. Stuff is falling all over the place. 15 seconds. So y'all know the trick. If you add too much highlight, always go over with your all over face brush and just blend everything in. And that's it. Yay! I completed it. Wow. Okay, so this phone looks beat up and all of that stuff. Don't worry about it. That's Zulu's phone. I completed my 10-minute makeup challenge and I think I did pretty good. It looks okay enough, you know, to go on the street. Oh, my hair is messed up. It has powder in there. That's okay. So, you know, let's say if I'm in the car now, you know, I'm probably just gonna touch up on my face, whatever I didn't blend in properly or whatever. But I was just hurrying up. I'm not gonna, you know, say too much because I did complete the challenge. So I think I did pretty good. I did beat the clock. I completed my full face in 10 minutes. It really was scary at first. I thought that I wasn't going to be able to complete it, especially when my brows started looking all crazy. But I was like, you know what? Trust the process. You've done this so many times before. Let's see if you can complete it in front of a camera. So that's what I did today. And so if you guys are new to my channel, please go ahead and click that thumbs up button. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Share this video with your friends. And if you do create this look or if you do try this challenge, please go ahead and tag me in your photos or in your posts. I will have my Facebook page and my Instagram page listed down below, so you guys can go ahead and follow me on there. So that is all for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.